Today is June 13th. I'm Barbara.
And I'm Vicky.
And this is
Simon Says. We would like to acknowledge that we are studying on this land that must belong to the indigenous people of Canada. The sky we see was their work as they traveled over the land in harmony with nature. We have the responsibility to respect this land as they did for thousands of years.
This week our theme is Campus Wellness. Join us on Tuesday for Listening Lab, where we will talk about the resources available on campus for staff and students. On Wednesday is our reading and writing workshop, and of course Thursday, Conversation Club.
Thank you everyone for coming to our Conversation Club. Remember, this Thursday will be our last one of the term, so let's enjoy!
Hi, Michelle.
Hi, Vicky.
So, what does wellness mean to you?
For me, wellness means to do something to make you happy. For example, you can eat good food or watch a movie you like, or when you're going to gym. Some people, when they go to gym, it's happy. They have fun and it makes them happy. For example, for me, for my personal experience, I think eat food and watch a movie is the best thing for me, and it makes me very, very happy. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
When I feel under the weather, I usually lie on the bed and eat healthy food and watch some of my favorite YouTube videos. And when I took a second COVID shot, I had a high fever and I felt under the weather. And at that time, I usually spend all the day on the bed and eat a whole apple and watch some YouTube videos. That's all.
First of all, I often cook by myself, and I also eat some vegetables and fruits on the meal. And second, sleep earlier. It is good for our health. Third, do some sports. I often play badminton, basketball, and swimming in the water zone.
Vicky, what is the activity for this week?
Well, it's very sad to say this week is our last adventure. So we are going to play golf that is near the Kingsman Park, and the rental price is $12. I think it's not a bad price, so I would highly recommend you to join our last SEC adventure for the term. And I will send the sign up link this Tuesday for you. Remember to sign up.
I hope all of you have learned something and had a good time in the observatory last Friday, and let's keep rocking our adventure throughout the term.
Yeah, this is a bit of a modern telescope. We have this sort of cool remote. It has like a small processor inside. Essentially, we can set it up to see like the sun, Neptune, Jupiter, Saturn, anything. In this case, the sun outside, the sun. It's a lot more easy to use than the regular telescope because what is that?
What did you see?
I saw like twice. You think?
No,
Just twice.
Do you see something? And I hope the girls also enjoy the outdoor activities with the sunshine in the quad. It was a very tiring afternoon, but we all had fun, right?
And this was
Simon Says.
Run, you got